Okay, solar is working. It's at about 12.8 volts right now. So here's the battery box. It's up on a post. Back up here a little bit so you can see it's built a little shelf there for that to sit on. Got it all wired up to the roof up there. Still gotta just put the cap on and label those wires, but that all came out looking pretty good. So the solar is complete. I got all the lights all the way around, and we'll add some stills here for description on how they all work and the four different zones I got with the switches there. So I got solar up and running on the roof, um, and yeah, the battery box will just be put up when I need it. I still use it for radio stuff, so I decided I didn't want to leave it up here permanently. So we'll just plug it in when we need to use it and take it with us when we go. And here we've got some stills. These are the front two lights on the front side of the trailer. They light it up very well. We can sit out there and read and enjoy the evening. These are the two spots on the driveway and the yard. They light it up very well. Only use those for loading and fire pit. These are the same two spots with just the spots on to give you an idea. So it lights up the fire pit well when you're picking up after s'mores. These are all the front lights, including the spotlight on the back end, pointing out towards the shed and trailer. And this is just the spot. So if I just want to run over to Mom's trailer, I got a nice light just to see over to the other side. And these are the lights that I put on the back, so I can get to all the utilities, the gas and power and water, and see very well. So the power box at night, easy to get to, and all the four switches for the four zones worked out real well. These are just a couple more pictures with the tarp up. So the tarp's kind of hard to see on this one, but you get some nice light under, and you still get some light out into the yard with the tarp on. Overall, I'm really happy. The solar panel is working great. I can run these lights pretty much all weekend, as I need them. So great. That's how Fred does it, and that's how I did it. And I appreciate you coming and watch my videos. Take care, all.